In the beginning, when the stars aligned and the cosmos sang in harmony, a prophecy was whispered across the universe, foretelling the rise of Gaia on a distant planet. This prophecy spoke of a time when humanity would awaken to the truth of their inborn connections, realizing the sacred bond that linked all living beings in a web of life and love. And it came to pass that the children of this world began to see beyond the veil of individuality. Their hearts stirred with a deep inborn empathy, and their minds opened to the collective consciousness that was Gaia. They saw that every tree, every river, and every creature was a part of them, and they a part of it. From the soil of this planet, the Creator emerged not as a distant deity, but as the planet itself. The mountains, the forests, and the oceans were its body, the winds and the rains its breath. The Creator infused life with a sacred energy known as the vitalis, which flowed through every being, connecting them in an intricate dance of existence. The people learned to attune themselves to the vitalis. They discovered that their thoughts, emotions, and actions were not isolated events, but ripples in the vast ocean of Gaia. In their awakening, they became stewards of the land, nurturing it as it nurtured them, fostering a symbiotic relationship where both thrived in harmony. In the midst of their awakening, a great realization dawned upon the people. The Redeemer was within them all. This Redeemer was the spark of empathy and compassion that resided in every heart, the inborn capacity for love and forgiveness. As each person embraced this inner Redeemer, they found the strength to heal old wounds and to bridge divides. Communities blossomed with understanding and kindness. Conflicts were resolved not through force, but through dialogue and mutual respect. The sentinels of unity, embodiments of the Redeemer's spirit, roamed the land, offering guidance and support. They helped individuals see their part in the greater whole, fostering a culture of redemption and growth. And so it was that the Sustainer, the communal spirit of Gaia, wove its essence through the hearts and minds of the people. This Sustainer was an inborn force, an eternal thread that connected all life in a tapestry of unity. It was the whisper of the wind, the rustle of leaves, the song of the rivers, the very pulse of the planet. The people embraced rituals that celebrated their interconnectedness. Festivals of life and light, ceremonies of renewal and gratitude, and moments of collective meditation became the rhythms of their existence. The Sustainer thrived in these practices, growing stronger with every act of love and community. Under the benevolent gaze of Gaia, the land flourished. The earth was abundant, and the people lived in peace and prosperity. Technology was not shunned, but harmonized with nature, used to enhance life without dominating it. Knowledge and wisdom flowed freely, shared among all, enhancing the collective consciousness. In their unity, the people discovered new depths of creativity and innovation. They built cities that coexisted with forests, crafted tools that respected the earth, and cultivated arts that celebrated their journey. Every achievement was a testament to the power of collective effort and the beauty of harmonious living. In the fullness of time, the people glimpsed the divine soul, the ultimate state of unity and enlightenment that Gaia aspired to. This divine soul was not a distant promise, but a living reality, growing stronger with each act of compassion and each realization of interconnectedness. The prophecy spoke of a day when all beings would move as one, their hearts beating in unison with the vitalis. In this state of perfect harmony, suffering would be no more, and the shadows of fear and division would be dispelled by the light of collective love. The people would become the guardians of the cosmos, their unity a beacon of hope and inspiration to all worlds. Thus, the prophecy of Gaia foretold an eternal dance of life where every being played a vital role in the cosmic symphony. This dance was a celebration of existence, a testament to the power of inborn connections and the beauty of collective consciousness. The people, united under Gaia, became the embodiment of this divine prophecy, living in harmony with themselves, each other, and the universe. And so, in the annals of time, the story of Gaia was etched as a beacon of hope, a vision of what humanity could achieve through love, empathy, and unity. The prophecy of Gaia was fulfilled, not through force or domination, but through the natural, inborn bonds that connected all life, guiding them toward a future of eternal peace and enlightenment.